Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Booming Bulls. We'll explore how to leverage the platform for strategies taught by Booming Bulls. You'll learn to identify key indicators and apply them to your charts. This guide will help you understand the core principles and practical application for better trading decisions. Let's get started with the basics of setting up your TradingView workspace. To begin, open TradingView and search for the Booming Bull 15-min strategy indicator in the public library. Add it to your chart. Next, consider adding the Bull-Bear Power Indicator, also known as the Elder Ray Index, to gauge market sentiment. Adjust the period length for both indicators to balance signal responsiveness and reduce noise. You can also modify visual settings like color and thickness for better clarity. Once your indicators are set, focus on interpreting the signals. The Booming Bull 15-min strategy provides specific buy or sell alerts. Use the Bull-Bear Power Indicator to confirm these signals. Positive values suggest bullish strength, while negative values indicate bearish dominance. Look for crossovers above or below the zero line and divergences between price and the indicator to validate potential trade entries and exits. This combined approach enhances decision-making. For advanced use, integrate Booming Bull's strategies with other technical analysis tools like support and resistance levels or moving averages. Always practice new strategies on a demo account to refine your approach without financial risk. Remember that shorter indicator periods offer more immediate signals but can generate more noise. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to successful trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.